Yellow, and welcome to Rethink with Rudiano. Today we're going to tackle this quote of mine. The future belongs to those who connect the dots. Because to come up with something futuristic, fresh, you would think that you need to forget everything that you know and pull out something completely new out of the bag, out of thin air, really. But that would be a common myth. You see, although there is something to be said about being able to create an idea that is not tainted or limited by preconceived concepts, more often than not, an idea that is novel, innovative, and truly transformative is nothing but an idea that has been pulled from different fields. Maybe it's a combination of different concepts that already are in existence. The only difference is that the person coming up with them has connected some dots in a way that nobody else has. And for every creative, every problem solver, heck, every human being, knowing this, I think, is a game changer. Now look up. Let's say that this is the night sky and you can see stars everywhere. Stars are standalone entities, light years apart. But from where we are, we can connect some stars, connect some dots, and we get constellations. I'd argue that it's the same in the world of business, the world of art, the world of humanity. Don't always have to reinvent the wheel or try to reinvent the wheel. All it is taking a concept from a world that was over there, bring it together with a world that is over there, and create something new, combine them together. That's what Picasso did. If you look at Picasso's style, this geometric style that is called Cubism, Airbnb. Airbnb was basically connecting two worlds. The world of people who had a spare room to rent or a house to rent, but just for a short period of time. Not able to sign up with a traditional estate agent, and the world of people who were tired of going to a clinical, sterile hotel and just wanted to have something, a house with more character than a hotel. So get those two together and create a platform where people can do that. Flexible, no overheads for Airbnb because they don't have to provide the infrastructure, just being a middleman between those people who have those spare rooms and houses to rent for a flexible time and people who are after that sort of thing. Revolutionized its industry. Didn't create an industry on its own, just made it better. And then you even have some people like Sam Altman, who seemingly created a whole industry, the AI industry, with OpenAI, ChatGPT. But even him, the reason why he was able to do that was because of the advancements prior to him. The technological advancement that enabled him to have the processing power for AI. So how does that help us? How does that help you? Whether you are creative, problem solver, an entrepreneur, just a human being trying to face the challenge of life. Well, sometimes we romanticize and we glorify, we put on a pedestal people that are creative. We're like, oh no, I could never be creative. I'm not a creative type. I can't come up with really groundbreaking stuff. Stop it. Stop putting the bar so high. Being creative is just noticing different stuff, trying to find patterns, and using what's already there and think about improving them. Maybe combining them with something else. Using our imagination and see, what if we could bring about anything that we would like to? Allow ourselves to dream a little bit, and we might find that actually not a dream, it's possible. Therefore, if I come up with a plan, I can make it a reality. Or I could use some things that make it reality. Examples from my life. Okay. I think a few weeks back, no, a few months back, I was saying that would be a game changer for me as a creative. If I was able to use AI to create my own music videos, for example, come up with a basic dance routine and use AI to beautify it, magnify it, that'd be a game changer. Guess what? It's possible. I've done it before. I've used AI. I'll show you how. It's an experiment. And it's not to everybody's taste. Some people are actually very scared of AI, and I understand why. But thanks to AI, I've been able to be a one-man industry. So I have an editor, I've got a brainstormer, I've got a researcher, I've got all sorts of AI machinery helping me out with my content creation, by my lonesome. So I'm grateful for that. So what do I mean by the future belongs to those who connect the dots? Well, if we look at things not being isolated, disparate dots, but start learning from different cultures, different views, different perspectives, different industries, we can combine what we know, foster an interdisciplinary view of things, an eagle-eyed view of things that would help us to solve some problems in an innovative way, come up with new creations, or if not, at least enrich our lives and that of others.